Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll take you through each step to ensure you can tackle this task with confidence. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torx screwdriver. 4. Soft cloth or brush for cleaning. 5. Replacement motor for Dyson SV12. Step 1. Preparing your vacuum cleaner. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is our top priority. Prepare your workspace by laying down a soft cloth to protect your vacuum from scratches. Step 2. Opening the vacuum case. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. Step 3. Removing the old motor. With the case open, locate the motor. You'll find it secured with several screws. Using the Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Once unscrewed, disconnect the motor's wiring harness by gently pulling it apart. Remember to take note of where each wire connects for easy reassembly. If you're feeling unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 4. Cleaning the interior. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth or brush to remove any dust or debris. A clean interior helps maintain optimal performance and extends the life of your vacuum. Step 5. Installing the new motor. Take your replacement motor and align it with the mounting holes. Connect the wiring harness, ensuring each wire is securely attached as per your previous notes. Once connected, use the Torx screwdriver to secure the motor with screws. Make sure it fits snugly without any wobbling. Step 6. Reassembling the vacuum. Now, it's time to put the vacuum back together. Replace the back cover and secure it with the Phillips screws. Double check that everything is tight and secure, as loose parts can lead to issues later on. Step 7. Testing your vacuum. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check the suction power. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you find that you're struggling with any part of this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quick and easy solution for your vacuum repair needs. Final thoughts *. If you had to consult the manual or if tools were lacking, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. Ensuring your Dyson SV12 operates efficiently will keep your home clean and dust-free. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.